Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a way to save time, reduce repetitive work, and get your tools talking to each other, you're in for a treat. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Make, formerly known as Integromat, alongside ClickUp to create powerful automations that can streamline your workflow. Whether you're automating task creation, syncing updates, or integrating with other apps, this combo can truly supercharge your productivity. If you're ready, let's dive in and get started right away. First things first, we'll be heading over to Make. This is where all the magic happens. You can log into your Make account by visiting their website and navigating to your dashboard. If you don't already have a Make account, you can sign up for free. Their free plan includes a generous number of operations per month, perfect for small teams or testing out automations. Once you're there, you'll want to find the option to create a new scenario. Click on that, because all of your companies are getting tighter. Save your life and items. Click on that, because that's where we're headed next. Go ahead and select that option, because this gives us the most flexibility to tailor the automation precisely to our needs. With that selected, you'll notice an interface with a plus icon. This is where we begin constructing our scenario. Clicking on this icon will allow us to add different elements to our automation. For our purpose today, we'll be integrating ClickUp. So in the search box that appears, type ClickUp. You'll then see ClickUp pop up as an option. Click on it to proceed. Make supports dozens of ClickUp actions and triggers, so you can do things like automatically create a task from a form submission, update task statuses, or send notifications based on due dates. This is an important step because it sets the foundation for linking your ClickUp task with the automation you're creating in Make. Next, you'll need to select the specific function you want. Here, you can choose tasks like creating a task, updating a task, or in this case, we'll use creating a webhook. This function acts as a conduit that allows data to flow seamlessly between ClickUp and Make based on certain triggers or actions. After selecting to create a webhook, you will want to create a connection. Click on that option and this will start the process. At this point, a new window will pop up. This is where a bit of patience and attention to detail is essential, as you will need to follow the on-screen instructions carefully to properly establish the connection between your Make and ClickUp accounts. If you haven't already generated a personal API token in ClickUp, you'll need one here. Just go to your ClickUp Settings 28 Apps Generate Token. Copy and paste it into Make to authorize the connection. Make sure you have your ClickUp login information handy, as you'll need to enter your credentials during the setup. Once you're logged in, follow any additional steps as prompted by Make to ensure the connection functions properly. Finally, once the connection is established, you can customize the scenario according to your specific needs. This customization is key because it will define exactly how the automation behaves, what triggers it, what it does afterward, and how often it operates. Start simple. For example, you can create a scenario that triggers when a task is moved to a certain status and sends an email or Slack notification. You can always build complexity as your confidence grows. Spend some time thinking about these customizations to align the scenario with your workflow goals effectively. And there you have it. With these steps, you're set up to integrate Make with ClickUp successfully, paving the way for streamlined task management and efficient workflows. Thanks for tuning in today. If you're experimenting with Make and ClickUp or looking to automate a specific use case, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're using automation to save time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss a tutorial that could transform your workflow. See you in the next one, and happy automating!